Nyasha. I'm about to go record my new song titled as Musoro. It's a song that was inspired by me being born again. And its aim is to change people's lives, to touch young people in general. So we're here in Harare with my main shout out to everyone at 3C. Shout out to all my friends, you know what I mean? This is for the ministry, this is for God. And yeah, this is a turning point in my life.
I don't know what you want me to say. Alright, okay, that's fine. Are you rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
Okay, basically, I'm an designer, aka Christian hip hop producer of the year 2014. I'm working with Kruger on his turnaround music. Basically, it's a song called musoro, meaning don't be doing things that have no meaning in life, wasting around, you know, doing drugs, etc. Basically, it talks about working hard and shining Simba, you know. Basically, Kruger's a young artist who's evolving and growing up. I watched him grow up, and I enjoyed working with him. Right now, he came down from South Africa, so we could just work on this record for a few days and he's going back. So feel the tune, hope you love it. Peace, Beauty's Barbecue.
Go watch on my wrist now, since now my time expensive. Hey, young bro, gang up now. Everything I have, God given, no more window shopping. If I want it, I buy it. Praise be to God, I got it.